In this video, we're going to go over the best voices in ElevenLabs to use for horror stories. So in ElevenLabs, head over to the voice library, and what I want to do is search like a deep voice. You can do like narration, but go ahead and go to the filters. This is the filters that I've used: English language, American accent, narrative and story, male voice. Male voices are perfect for horror storytelling, and for age you want to do probably either middle-aged or old, as that would probably yield the best results. Apply the filters and then we get something like this. So you want to look for an older, a deeper voice. One of them that really caught my attention is Devonta right here. Let's take a listen at the preview.
Engineering is the bridge that imagination crosses to become reality.
Now, in my opinion, that's going to be one of the best voices for narrating your horror stories. Very deep, very relaxing, soothing. So that's really what you want. And it's an older male voice, which is very typical for these horror story type of voices.
My name is Bateman. I have a smooth and sexy voice that can be used for whatever fantasies you have, or for you normal people as well.
So you want something that's very low bass, and that would be perfect for horror stories.